Welcome to your user-friendly Spanish review.
Let's refresh some previous lessons.
Say it in Spanish in unison with me.
Hello.
Hola.
Good morning.
Buenos días.
Good afternoon.
Buenas tardes.
Good evening. Good night.
Buenas noches.
Nice to meet you.
Mucho gusto.
How are you? He, she, or it.
¿Cómo está?
How are you?
¿Cómo está usted?
Very well, thanks.
Muy bien, gracias.
And you?
¿Y usted?
How is Maria?
¿Cómo está María?
How is the coffee?
¿Cómo está el café?
How is the doctor?
¿Cómo está el doctor?
How is the actor?
¿Cómo está el actor?
How is the motor?
¿Cómo está el motor?
How is the professor?
¿Cómo está el profesor?
How is the color?
¿Cómo está el color?
You're making great progress.
It's extremely important that you master the Spanish alphabet.
If you haven't yet, make sure to download right now your free pronunciation guide in the link below this video, because it's a vital tool essential for your progress.